Bonjour everybody, welcome back to TF Delicacies. This week we will be making everyone's favorite, chicken biryani. This recipe is easy to follow and I'm sure you'll have fun making it. So let's get to it. First off, we're going to be using 6 leg quarters. We'll also be using 2 cups of curd, 10 to 12 big cloves of garlic, 2 medium-sized roots of ginger, 10 to 12 green chilies, 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, half a bunch of coriander, 1 bunch of mint, 4 limes, and 1 big onion. Add the green chili, garlic, and ginger paste into the chicken. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and finally 3 teaspoons of salt. Mix this until well incorporated. After that, add 2 cups of curd and mix it again. Now we're going to add 1.5 whole limes juice. Mix this until well incorporated. Leave this to marinate for at least 2 hours. Until then, we're going to be working on the rice. For this, you will need 6 cups of basmati rice, 3 bay leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, 1 big cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon of royal cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 6 pods of cardamom, and some strands of mace. You also need 1 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of ghee, 3/4 of a cup of milk, a few strands of saffron or a color of your choice. In a frying pan, pour 1 cup of oil. Let it heat on medium heat. Thinly slice the onions and put them into the frying pan after the oil is done heating. Fry these until light brown. Let's start making the rice. Take a thick vessel and pour 4 cups of water into it. Leave this to boil on full heat. Next, we're going to wash the rice. Once the water is done boiling, add the spices, the rice, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it well and cook the rice halfway through. Check to see if the rice is halfway cooked through. If there is any excess water, drain it. Let's get back to the chicken. In this, we're adding the half-fried onions and half of the mint and coriander. Mix this well. Then add some color and a pinch of saffron into the milk. In the remaining onion oil, pour 1/2 cup of ghee. Then pour that into the rice that we left over. And also carefully place the marinated chicken onto the bottom of the vessel. Now we're going to be layering on the remaining rice. After you have put the rice, layer it with some fried onions and also some coriander and mint leaves. To make sure that the chicken cooks perfectly, make some holes so the steam can get in and cook it. To enhance the flavor, add 2 limes' juice and also the remaining ghee and oil and pour it all over the sides. Lastly, pour the saffron and milk mixture. Keeping the flame on high, put the vessel on top of it. To not let the steam escape, put some weighted objects on top of the lid. To cook this, put it on high flame for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, you can put it on medium flame and cook it for 30 more minutes. To check if the chicken is cooked, remove some rice and see if there is any water left. If there is some water left, you can cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, the biryani is ready to eat. It's ready to eat with some raita and cucumbers and onions. You can eat it any way you want. Let's have some, shall we? That is really yummy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. We hope to see you soon.